Alright, hey guys, AG's Sports Cards back here again. It's been a couple weeks. Finally had some free time here, so I decided to go grab the 2018 Absolute Football. This will be the first time I'm opening this product up this year. We got two little hobby boxes and then two of the bigger boxes here. We'll do the small ones first. It looks like we're looking for one autograph or memorabilia card. There's the empty box. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Let's put these aside. All right, Alvin Kamara, Jameis Winston, Tyreek Hill, Alex Collins, Sonny Michel, Marlon Mack, Larry Fitzgerald, Kirk Cousins, and Kid Reporter. Chris Hogan, Jarvis Landry, Alshon Jeffrey, rookie card of Ray McLeod. This looks like an insert of Von Miller. Let's see if that's numbered. It is not. And we got Andy Dalton, Jacoby Brissett, and Chris Thompson. All right, Jimmy Graham, Marcus Mariota, Todd Gurley, LaShawn McCoy, and here's the hit, Kyle Lauletta. It's just a patch. And we got Keenan Allen, Greg Olson, Jonathan Stewart, Kid Reporter. Let's, since we got the hit, I'll fly through the rest of these. Maybe we get lucky, there's something else in it. All right. Julio Jones, Tom Brady, Tyrod Taylor, rookie card, Josh Sweat. You got late game heroics, refractor. Antonio Brown, Andrew Luck, Sam Bradford, Bilal Powell, Marvin Jones, Doug Baldwin, Jalen Ramsey, Peyton Manning, Christian McCaffrey, Eli Manning, Sean Lee, Clay Matthews, Deshaun Jackson, Jared Goff. Got a Dylan Cantrell. He made it onto our practice squad. All right. Derek Carr, Amari Cooper, 1-2 punch. J.J. Watt, Alex Smith, Melvin Gordon. Joe Flacco, Gronk, Josh Gordon, Carson Wentz. There's an Alshon Jeffrey covering ground insert. David Johnson, Devontae Parker, Le'Veon Bell, holdout. Golden Tate, Bobby Wagner, Pat Mahomes. Auden Tate rookie card. That looks like just a variation here. It's a cool card though. It's T.Y., Case Keenum, Jimmy G, and T.Y. Hilton. So that does it for the first box. Let's do the other small box here. Picked these up today from Target. Just happened to be passing through there. Figured I'd grab them. Haven't opened this product yet this year. Let me sleeve up Arletta. All right. One autograph for one memorabilia card. Sean Watson, Derrick Henry, Aaron Darnold, Zay Jones, covering ground Alshon Jeffrey, Christian McCaffrey, Eli Manning, Sean Lee. Kamara, Jameis Winston, Tyreek Hill, Isaiah Oliver, Atlanta Falcons rookie card, Leonard Fournette, Antonio Brown, Andrew Luck, and Sam Bradford. Now this one feels kind of thick. Let's see. Yep. I think this is it, or it's going to be a blank one. Alex Collins, Chris Hogan, Jarvis Landry, Alshon Jeffrey. Yep, there it is. It's a Bradley Chubb rookie dual memorabilia piece. It's not terrible. It's not an auto, but Allen Robinson, Robbie Anderson, Matt Stafford. Can't really expect too much out of a $20 box. Alright. Hoping to maybe get some numbered cards, but there hasn't been a single one. Jimmy Graham, Marcus Mariota, Todd Gurley. There's Tanner Lee rookie card. This is a pretty cool print of the Raiders. Derek Carr, Russell Wilson, Leonard Fournette, and Devontae Freeman. Yeah, I'm just saw Josh Gordon got released today or they're going to release him Monday, so I think they're trying to trade him, but after hanging with Browns, hung on to that guy for 3-4 years dealing with his problems, I'm surprised they finally let him go. Bilal Powell, Marvin Jones, Doug Baldwin, Richie James, rookie card, Anthony Miller, rookie introductions. These are all upside down. Blake Bortles, Matt Ryan, Dalvin Cook, Carson Wentz, Clay Matthews, Deshaun Jackson, Jared Goff. We've already seen that. Teddy Bridgewater, Von Miller, Richard Sherman, Flacco, Gronk. There's Josh Gordon, Fred Warner, rookie card. We've seen that one too. Got Aaron Rodgers, Cameron Wake, Jordan Howard, LaShawn McCoy, Golden Tate, Bobby Wagner, Pat Mahomes, Derek Carr, Amari Cooper, 1-2 punch again, Adam Thielen, Joe Mixon, Marshawn Lynch, Kid Reporters. All right, let's get into the bigger boxes. There's only 4 packs per box in there, and there's find one autograph and one memorabilia, so we are going to get at least one auto. Alright, let's go with that. Let's go and open up the second box too, because we know there's 4 total hits in there. Alright, I'm going to mix them up here so we don't know. There should be 4 total hits and 8 packs. Hopefully we don't pull them all right away. Alright, here we go. Demaryius Thomas, McKinnon, Marlon Mack, Fitz, Tyrod, Khalil Mack, Devontae Adams, Matt Ryan, and this is probably the auto. We got DeMarcus Walker of the Broncos. Oh, I'm not exactly sure who that is. Oh, there we go. There's the auto. There's one. First pack. Still got 3 hits left. Tannenhill, Trubisky, Odell, Doug Baldwin, Jalen Ramsey, Julio, Brady. All right, we got Kaiser White rookie card for the Chargers. And here's a second hit of Sonny Michel. It's a patch. And right behind him is his card. That's a pretty boring card there. Not a big fan of this product. So far, at least. All right, Jimmy G, T.Y., David Johnson, Devontae Parker, Cam Newton, Marshawn Lattimore, Zeke, Kareem Hunt. We got Justin Jackson, Chargers rookie. At least I'm getting a lot of my rookies here. And then we got Jonathan Ogden, Baltimore Ravens. And we got 5 packs left, 2 more hits to go. Oh, this would be cool if this is a signed one by Rivers. I would not be mad at that. AJ Green, Derek Carr, Josh Norman, Deshaun Jackson, Goff, Bilal Powell, Marvin Jones. And we got Blake Bortles. And then we got Antonio Callaway, wide receiver for the Browns. Now that Josh Gordon is going to be traded, I think this guy's going to start blowing up. And then we just got a late game heroics 10, 15, 17 Chargers Raiders. Pretty cool. Le'Veon, JJ, Alex Smith, Terrell Suggs. Love that they put these upside down. James White, Dak, Jai, Jerick McKinnon, Terrell Edmonds rookie card, and late game heroics. Andrew Luck. All right, we still got 2 more hits, an auto and a relic. All right, Richard Sherman, Blake Bortles, Matt Ryan, Dalvin Cook, Gronk, Gordon, Wentz, Clay, Durham Smith rookie card, and then Howie Long, Raiders. All right, well, last 2 packs, got to have an auto and a memorabilia card. This is going to be the memorabilia card. Melvin Gordon, Christian McCaffrey, Eli Manning, Sean Lee, Deshaun Watson, Derrick Henry, Aaron Darnold. Is that Bo Scarborough, rookie? And Anthony Miller, patch. Rookie for the Bears. Then we got a Ronald Jones II, rookie. All right, so this one should have the auto in it. Maybe it's a patch auto, we'll see. Nope. All right, Antonio Brown, Andrew Luck, Sam Bradford, Allen Robinson, Zay Jones, Alvin Kamara, Jameis Winston. This is Marlon Mack. And this is going to be the auto of a Chris Dolman, Hall of Fame 2012. All right. That's pretty cool. Hall of Famer for the Vikings. All right, let's do a quick recap here. So we got the Chris Dolman auto, Anthony Miller patch, Sonny Michel patch, a DeMarcus Walker auto, a dual memorabilia of Bradley Chubb, and a Kyle Lauletta quarterback patch. Appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I'll be getting back on a more steady basis, posting some more video guys for you guys to enjoy. Thank you.